Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today I have ADA, Cardano, and of course I will make an update about the charts right now because you can see Bitcoin is falling, it is correcting, but I am here to calm you down because we are seeing in the monthly frame how Bitcoin has done. So if you like the content, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell button and share the video. Thank you so much for the support, and of course you can join our Telegram group chat or follow me on Twitter. So let's go and continue. First of all, I will just show you this chart again. I did this in my previous video. I will show you to you right now. We are in the monthly frame on the Coinbase wallet, and of course on the monthly frame in the trading view. So what we have here is, look at these green candles from the November, from back to October of course, till the November, all green candles until we reach the April here, and we are seeing the red candle. It is absolutely healthy and fine. If we are more about to correct, we might go down to this support line. That's why you are seeing YouTube section. They are not uploading many videos right now at the moment because all of us need to understand, and the technical analysis becomes very difficult when the Bitcoin collapses and breaks down. And of course we need to see where the Bitcoin will hit, what will be the support line in order to see the Bitcoin's action, and of course all of the other altcoin and the crypto space in general. So right here I think 45,000 guys, 45,000, let me put a price label here, 45,000 around there is our support level, and we will hit that if we correct more. We might even not reach there, we might even reach further more upwards, but we will see about that. And the Bitcoin right now, our next target if we have a further correction is the 45k USD major support. I think it will stop there if we correct more. I repeat that. Okay, so right now it is very difficult to do technical analysis of course, but I have some major support and resistance levels. We don't care that much about the red lines right now as we care about those support levels. We might break even beyond the 1.14 USD for the ADA Cardano. And right here, as you can see guys, there is a critical support that we need to be above this one here, and of course the 1.03, which we almost hit back at 18th April around there. Today of course we hit this support level, and we will see if we go in beyond major support levels. So right now we need to be certain where Bitcoin will go in order to say some more things and to be more accurate about our price predictions, and of course where you should buy more, because right now according to the market we can't tell. But these are some major support levels as you can see, and one of the lowest that we have to take into consideration 0.87, but I won't focus on this one right now. I will focus on 1.03 if we go back there, or at this one here guys, 1.09. okay, so what we are focusing about are mostly the support levels and not the resistance levels for now. But I told you guys, I want you to calm down, and of course corrections are part of crypto market and they are pretty healthy. Let's see a bit more the MACD here on the 4-hour frame. You can see here when we are having pump ups, we are going upwards, consolidations downwards, and of course here the blue line is meeting the signal line, a bearish cross, the blue line goes down, same as signal line, and we have more of a consolidation line. Look at the blue line where it went because of the Bitcoin's price action of course, and we didn't expect that much. But right now we are having this situation where the blue line is going so much downwards. We need to see a further upward situation in order to see more clear perspective of a buying opportunity, because right now as Bitcoin falls ADA will of course follow, as you know. So okay, that's it for MACD against USD in the 4-hour frame, but things now will go, we will go to the RSI and the commodity channel index as well as the SSL channel on the 4-hour frame. And the reason I'm going here is because you can see here the RSI is below the 30, so the commodity channel index so much below the minus 100. Most certainly here we would have a buying situation for the short term. This would be, guys, a buying situation for the short term. So let me give you an example about what I mean. Back then on 24th March, you can see here, guys, we had the RSI near the 30, the commodity channel index below the minus 100, and for the very short term, we went back and we had this accumulation. Okay, but right now things are a little bit different because we have this Bitcoin chart and this Bitcoin's price action. So in normal cases, we would be buying here for the very short term, but right now we need to see where Bitcoin will end, of course. Okay, so we are going downwards and we want to go upwards, retesting this 30 level for the RSI. And of course here, guys, we would be certain that this is a buying opportunity for the very short term if we were facing a bearish market, and of course we wanted to take some profits for the very short term. But right now things are looking different because of the Bitcoin's action. So that's why you are seeing in YouTube we don't upload so many videos, but I took the chance to upload right now. And we go now to the Bollinger Bands and of course the MACD in the daily frame. As you can see here, huge buying pressure on the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, and you can see here when we extend where we consolidating a bit more. Of course this big bearish candle became here off because of the Bitcoin, as you know. And look at the volatility where on the bottom of the Bollinger Bands it is a good buying chance. Usually that's not always the case, but usually when we approach the bottom of the Bollinger Bands it is a good buying opportunity. When we extend so much of the top of the Bollinger Bands, it is a good selling opportunity, or if you can call like that. But of course I expected, guys, for the ADA to go a bit more upwards for all the other altcoins, but Bitcoin had this correction today. And of course for the MACD we have this situation here where you can see, as you can see, we are having this cross. The blue line is going beyond the signal line. That's a bearish situation here. We want to avoid that, but right now we have it. So right now we can't say we are having any buying opportunity, especially for the short term. And guys, I am so mad about ADA. Just as it went up, as you can see here, it didn't manage to reach for ADA against Bitcoin an upward situation. We had this trending top and trending connecting the bottom lines. We went upwards, and right now this might be the case where the 20-day EMA and the 30-day EMA will cross the 50-day EMA and go beyond, and we might have here a more of a bearish scenario. We need to check the Bitcoin first, where it will stop, where we will start accumulating again. But right now we are in a risk where we can't say we are having a very clear buying opportunity. I insist for the short term, of course. And right now, just as it went upwards, guys, just as it went upwards for ADA, not to be a stable coin, okay, because we saw this price action just as it goes up, it goes down, falls down even deeper. And right now we are having these big bearish candles for ADA Cardano. Of course, that is the case for most of the market. You can see here on the daily frame we were so good after this point right here, guys, that the 50-day EMA went beyond the 20-day and the 30-day EMA. Just as this point back at 13 January 2021, we had all these very good consolidations and pop-ups, of course, for ADA. But right now what we want to see is the 50-day EMA maintaining its position and of course staying below the 30-day EMA and the 20-day EMA. You can see here how the 50-day EMA was almost a support level for ADA against Bitcoin in the daily frame. Back here at 10th April, it was the same situation, but right now we need to see what Bitcoin will do and how more it will correct. Okay, let's go to ADA against Ethereum. Same here, it managed to hit this support level 0.3053. When you divide Cardano's price with Ethereum's price, you get this price label. That's why we have these many zeros, and right now we hit this support level here. And for the daily frame, as you can see, we almost reached this cross point where the 50-day EMA might go above the 20-day EMA and the 30-day EMA right here, guys. So we want to avoid that, but if we do that, then we might see a further drop down for Cardano against Ethereum. Of course, we saw this drop down here, and we want to maintain at least this support level, because if we go beyond that and if Bitcoin corrects more, we might consider going back into this support level right here, which sits at around 0.00046 cents. Okay, so what we want to see in the price analysis right now is maintaining this support level, which unfortunately we didn't maintain this support level right here at 1.15 USD, and right now we might be testing even lower support levels. I mean Coinbase, okay, Coinbase right now we might even test lower support levels in the 4-hourly frame, and of course according to the price action, if the Bitcoin collapses even more and corrects even more, we might drop to further down low support levels. So right now this is not a clear buying opportunity. Of course, as you can see here in the 4-hourly frame, the 30-day EMA crossed the 20-day EMA, went above, and of course it might cross even the 50-day EMA. We might have even more of a bear scenario, depends on the Bitcoin. But in overall, guys, I don't want you to panic, because look at this. Of course, if we hit this support, then we can go and fuel back up, or if we stop even further above, this is a scenario. I don't say that we will eventually hit 45,000. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that if we fall and correct more, we might hit this level, but we might stay here. But in overall, Bitcoin is looking fantastic for the macro perspective. And of course, cryptocurrency market have all of these corrections. You should not panic. But right now, as we fall deeper and deeper, we might have some buying opportunities hidden. But right now, what you want to do is, as we dig deeper into support levels, you want eventually to buy more and more as we go deep and lower. You don't want to buy right now, but if we see a further more correction for Bitcoin, then we might have some buying opportunities. For now, I think the price action all depends on Bitcoin, because we can go down here, we may even test this support level, or just retesting this support to 1.09 USD and then going a bit sideways. Depends all on Bitcoin. That's why you see that YouTube has no new videos right now, because many of us want to see a little bit of the Bitcoin's price action in order to be more safe to just go and upload a video. Okay, but of course I am here to upload every day and to keep you guys updated. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are, and I hope you stay safe. This is the most important for me. And of course, if you want, you can join our Telegram group chat to discuss more and more there. Thank you again and have a fantastic day. See you soon with more videos. Bye.